show you guys some of the macro videos that I've been capturing with the Insta360 GO 3S. Now, in order for this action camera to focus on objects that are this close to it, you're going to need a macro lens filter. Unfortunately, there is no official macro lens for this camera, so I had to DIY one for myself using this cheap macro lens that I found on Amazon and this adapter that I designed myself and 3D printed. And there are links for these in the description. The 3D printed adapter you can either get from my Etsy shop, or you can just download the digital file if you want to print one for yourself.